यार टाइगर फोर्ट
Hello
इसे एक
everyone,
नहीं चार नाम से जानते हैं।
welcome back to part 3 of my Jaipur journey because I left it already. After Amer Fort, our next destination was at Nahargarh, which is located in Jaipur. And let me tell you, this place is completely different. First view entering the fort, as soon as we reached, we saw the board Once Upon a Gad. At that moment, felt like wow, I'm standing inside a real historical इतिहास से जुड़ा हुआ प्लेस एंड ऐसा लग रहा था कोई नई जगह पे आ गए हैं, कोई और ही दुनिया में आ गए हैं. द नेम नहरगढ़ itself sounds strong and powerful. This fort is built on a hill, so from here you can see the whole Jaipur city. The view, which means nazara, just amazing. Walking inside rocky means pathreli jagah, patthar wala road. When we started walking inside, I noticed something very interesting. The road was rocky, पत्थर वाली जगह थी, not smooth like today's road. There were natural stones everywhere, and while walking there, I was imagining.
और सुदर्शन गढ़ भी बोलते हैं और महावीरेंद्र भवन यहाँ के राजा सवाई जय सिंह इन्होंने जयपुर सिटी जो बसाई 1727 में उसकी सुरक्षा के लिए फोर्ट को बनवाया गया। ऊपर से आपको जयपुर का व्यू दिखेगा और सन साइड है इसी पैलेस के अंदर। ठीक है, इसे 1734 के अंदर महाराजा सवाई जय सिंह ने बनाया था। फिर यहाँ के राजा आए, इनका नाम था माधव सिंह। उनने 9 रानी के 9 महल बनाए। 3 महल इधर है, 3 महल सामने है, 3 महल इधर है। एक महल देखोगे बिल्कुल 9 किलो बिल्कुल 9 किलो बनेगा। ये राजा ड्रेसिंग रूम है, ये वाला ये राजा ड्रेसिंग रेडी होते थे और ऊपर से ऊपर रास्ता घूमता हो जाएगा तो 12 महल के अंदर जाएगा। 9 महल के अंदर।
How did king and soldiers walk here in old times? Maybe horses used to run here. Maybe soldiers used to guard this fort day and night. It felt like history was alive. Exploring the place mahal area, then we went inside the place area. The walls were yellow and royal. The architecture was very beautiful. Small domes, long corridors means lambi gallery rasta. Dome means palace, and strong walls everywhere. It was simple but very powerful. You can feel that this place was built for protection. Protection means suraksha karna, not just for living but for safety during the war. जब war होती होगी तो ये safety purpose से बनाया होगा. On the top, beautiful city view. Then we went up to top area, जैसे हम ऊपर वाले एरिया में जाते हैं, and oh my god, the view from there was breathtaking. It means lubhavna, amazing. You can see the entire Jaipur city from here. Blue sky, sunlight, and beautiful domes, which we call to Haveli, all around it. I clicked so many pictures here. It felt peaceful, like time stopped for a moment. Jaipur Wax Board Museum. Museum means Sangrahalaya, where all the pictures. Okay. Inside Nahargarh, we also saw the board of Jaipur Wax Museum. It was written Hall of Icons, Royal Darbar, Sheesh Mahal, and Souvenir. Souvenir means something that you keep to remind you of somewhere. It means, अगर मैं हिंदी में कहती हूँ, something special, एक स्मृति चिन्ह, निशानी टाइप. It felt like entering a new world inside the fort. एकदम नई दुनिया में आ गए थे. History and modern things together. That was very interesting for me. My feelings standing there, I felt proud of our Indian history. These forts are not just buildings, they are stories, they are memories, they are strength. But one thing I always think, we should take care of these places because this is our heritage, which means virasat. As the sun was shining brightly and wind was blowing softly, I just sat there quietly and enjoyed the moment. Jaipur Part 3 was calm, beautiful, and powerful. Nahargarh gave me peace, but wait, the most surprising moment of this fort visit is still left. In the next part, I will show you something unexpected, which means not expected and therefore causing surprise. अगर हम हिंदी में समझे इट्स वेरी टफ. Unexpected means not expected. आश्चर्यजनक. So don't miss part 4. Stay connected and travel with me. I'm telling you this story because when we discuss every part, we build confidence, vocabulary, and better English. Thanks for watching and follow me for more videos.